2010 Economics Past Question 24 says one of the characteristics of monopolistic competition is that if you look at a monopolistic competition, a monopolistic competition is a market situation which combines the fundamental characteristics of both pure monopoly, and perfect markets. Perfect competition. So, the fundamentals of the characteristics of both pure monopoly and perfect competition. That is what a monopolistic competition has. The following are the characteristics. One of the criteria is there is product differentiation. That is, products are heterogeneous in nature. 2 is that different prices rule the market. 3, there is only one or single producer or supplier or firm of a particular commodity and many buyers. They can discriminate due to different elasticities of demand for the products. There is underutilization of resources. Price and quantity are determined by producer at suppliers. Price is higher than both at both MC and MR, is marginal cost and marginal revenue. Entry and exit are restricted. It has control over price or output, or that is, it's a price giver. So from the above characteristics, if we look at our options, option A says there is mobility of factors of production. This is wrong. Option B says consumers have perfect knowledge of price. No, they don't have perfect knowledge. Option C says no single seller dominates the market. Option C is the correct answer. Option D says the firms are price takers. No. So the correct answer is option C. No single seller dominates the market. Thank you. Please subscribe for more questions.